Yung Clyde's Bakes and Pastries na makikita mo sa SM Shumart department stores, gawa rin namin yan, late 70s pa, in 70s, early 80s. Actually, the NBA star, Clyde Drexler, sinasabi nga niya na he co-owns franchises ng Clyde's. And that he actually was part of his plans at making Clyde's. Fresh Baker naman, gawa rin namin. Fresh Baker, 1970s. Yung nga sa SM Fairview, gawa ko yan dyan. Gawa namin And I think sa Cubao, pupunta lagi si Laura Dern, the Hollywood actress. Kamit ko sa Areta Center Cubao because she was inquiring. I was telling her na to have to own Fresh Baker franchises. And meron talaga siya as originally planned. So that's 1970s at Areta Center Cubao. Fresh Baker franchise naman ang plans and branches, plans kung saan sa all over Metro Manila. Fresh Baker and Clyde's Bakes and Pastries. And then later, maalala ko sa SM Shumart Fairview, diyan gawa na yung Fresh Baker dyan sa SM Fairview. But previously, naalala ko naman, ang sinasabing pinakaunang Fresh Baker branches or Clyde's ay sa Laguna. Mga partners ko ron, they're certain na gawa na yung nila, Fresh Baker branches there at Laguna. And then nag-meet kami sa may CM Recto, near San Beda siguro. And then also about Clyde's bakes and pastries, and Clyde's nga. Diyan yung sa may CM Recto nag-meet kami na nag-uusap about registration ng Fresh Baker sa SECNA and then DTI and others. And others bakeries and business that time. Ang sa naman, ang Gardenia naman, Gardenia Philippines, diyan naman yan malapit sa may Moraita, CM Recto. Na kung sa kami original nag-meet, nag-usap about Gardenia, diyan din ulit para maalala nga, ma-assert yung nila na akong kausap nila, alam nila we're starting up many business companies in the Philippines. Kaya kami nag-meet sa may Moraita, CM Recto. Then yun nga sa Fresh Baker, gawa rin sa Fresh Baker, SM Fairview and others. Sa SM San Jose del Monte. And then if I recall correctly, yung Clyde's pala, matagal na rin yan. Alam niya ng the Hollywood music band Spice Girls in Clyde's. They wanted co-ownerships to Clyde's. And then actually, they were setting na sila nag-start up ng Clyde's Bakes and Pastries. Ang plano niya, nagplano. And then iba kong kamag-anak sa Horace Tamayos, kasama nila. O sa mga kamag-anak ko na Horace Tamayos, nag-umpisa yung ideas ng Clyde's. Nandyan sila, and they're partnering with the Spice Girls.